Let's learn our articles. Boots on the floor. Here we go!
A and the.
A dog, a cat, a hat, a ball. Hear a consonant sound. We use A for all.
A and the.
Little words before a noun. Cup our reading strong and proud.
A and the.
Clap your hands and sing with me. Grammar grows our harmony. An apple, an egg, an igloo too. Hear a vowel sound first. Then N is what we use.
A and the.
Little words before a noun. Cup our reading strong and proud.
A and the.
Clap your hands and sing with me. Grammar grows our harmony. The sun, the moon, the book we know, and it's one special thing. The helps it show. Before a noun, we say article. Hear a consonant? Use A. Hear a vowel sound? Choose N. Just one special one.
Faster. A and the.
Read it, bite it, sing it loud. Learning makes us proud.
A and the.
We can use them perfectly. You and me in harmony. Just three little words.
A and the.
That's an article.